Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I love my bread. I love bread in so many ways, sometimes toast, but I just do love bread and I like making them in different recipes. So today I added butter into my pan, and then I added some egg onto the bread in the pan, and then another bread, and then add some milk. Make sure the milk sinks into the bread very much. Let it sink into the other bread well, and I start to turn it in my pan. I add some more milk and some more egg. Well, you can actually add honey. That's after, if you want it to be really sweet, but I don't have a sweet tooth, so I just prefer my own without any extra sugar. So yeah, I turn it and look how fluffy it looks. Now it is time to taste it. Oh, it tastes delicious. You should definitely try this recipe out. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.